Yeah, right now a lot of people been hitting me up, you know what I mean, on the email, text, and the whole works, phone calls, asking when the movie's gonna be out. We have mad scenes, more scenes to do. So right now, we're gonna get a sneak preview scene. Check it out. Cheers.
See boy a coming. Yeah man, a him man. Yeah man, a him this. I fi him this. Him this, boy, just pull up behind man and just sit down in a car and eat and come. He's a boy now laugh with the Bumbuckler road, you know. See me, yo, a boy a try nothing funny, you know, star. God know, you know. Yo, then I fuck you, you know. Man sit down in a car all long, man, and now come out. Yeah, what up? Father. Yeah, no. Everything good? Everything good, Father? Set the board and I try to set my life now. Yeah. I set here, I try to set up my life. You don't know? I mean, say calm down. I see man, yo, man, you see him Bumbuckler boy, we send me go link. Yeah, the man pull gun for me, dog. Yeah, I set here, I try to set up man Bumbuckler life. Yo, dog, me I come see you right now.